I'm Jonathan Restivo, I go by JR, Chief Development Officer and co-founder at Cityside Fiber. For us, the ability to have all of our data from an addressing perspective, anything kind of geo-related, from addressing to fiber design, planning, all that, having that all in one place makes our engineers' lives so much better, makes my life easier to be able to combine all those data points together and be able to reference them and have that all in one place. So VETRO, having that functionality has been key to our ability to evaluate new markets, go more quickly from high-level design into low-level design that's producible and makes it quicker to get into permitting as well. So great tool for us and a great resource, having everything again in one place. Having VETRO as our source of truth exposes all this different data points to multiple verticals within our atmospheres, right? So we have, whether that be sales and marketing, whether that be our customer service agents who are, trying to find out when a service location might become operable, being able to source construction phases and things like that. All of that is laid out within VETRO, and so all those different touch points are able to access that. And so, again, as a source of truth for us, having all of that in one place within VETRO makes, reduces that swivel chair and makes the employee experience that much better. VETRO's interoperability within different, all the different SaaS that are out there that we have to use to go from, really kind of the concept of a plan all the way through customer service and operations. Like, it's a full stack, and there's so many different touch points that kind of come in at the address level along the way. And so having all of that, being able to build around VETRO with all of those and the functionality in the integrations that VETRO has been phenomenal for us to be able to use that as a base to launch all these different data and mapping resources off of that. So yeah, it's been great. One of the reasons that we chose VETRO from the start and have used that as our primary tool since the beginning, I think it was actually one of our first purchases once we got funded, was to be able to use VETRO. One of the reasons obviously was the technology, but also the management team and the group here under Will's leadership. There's so much innovation happening. It's very customer friendly and as well as partner friendly to be able to continue to build, whether that's something that we build internally around or that other partners are using as well. It's a very open, for us being able to, we're 2 years into the relationship now. There's been so much development along the way and innovation and new products. Most recently, we started testing out VETRO Mobile, being able to use that out in the field to help reduce questions around what are we doing, which splice case am I opening, all those kinds of aspects of field management, and being able to have that automatically updated into VETRO through that tasking tool within VETRO Mobile. It's been pretty cool, and there's so much more that can kind of come from having that in place for all sorts of field-related activities that, are critical for us, both on the construction side as well as the operation and maintenance of our network. So it's been great to see that development, and we're excited for all the new stuff that's coming.